It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and it is day 5 in Lake San Marcos. Great progress today in that we got the rest of our boulders staged and our foundation plants in from Western Cactus and Matt from Jones Rare Roots. And this garden is really starting to take shape now. So awesome. So here we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 yards of soil for this backyard. And I honestly don't even know how many ton of boulders. I think this represents at least 12 ton, maybe a little more. And we are establishing now our pathways, and then we are going to be laying down weed fabric and before we install the flagstone, so that'll happen tomorrow. But just wanted you to see at day's end what we're looking at here. We've staged the client's bench for the view. And look at how great the fountain looks, the waterfall. Now, oh, wow. We extended out this side a little further. Hannah did that. And then we planted the Bacarnia recurvata that I got at Western Cactus to flank the little baby over there. We got a pathway here that goes around kind of in a circle, and the guys are finding a lot of nails. Look at all these nails. That was from the fake grass. So we're getting all of those yanked out. So you can kind of see where the pathways are going. We will have another pathway over here leading to the bench, and we're going to make a home for our desert tortoise as well. You can see the perspective from here. Then we've decided to go with rubble. We'll be coming about 1.5 foot to, well, probably 2 feet out from the bushes, because these belong to the association. And we want to make sure that we leave enough room for the gardeners to come through here and do their thing with their hedge trimmers. So the rubble border will be a delineation between this garden and this hedge. Interestingly enough, our clients are the only home in this tract that didn't get the glass wall, thus the need to make a delineation. So what's next is a delivery from Waterwise Botanicals with 5-gallon, some ones. I have a few more statement plants coming in, because we are still a little light back here. Not that, you know, we're living back here, but it's part of the garden. So I want to make sure that anyone that is walking through here, or if the clients are just strolling, will have lots of beautiful things to see. So we still have some development back here to work out. We have some beautiful Grand Canyon onyx rubble to work in. I'm going to go a little tropical under the palm trees. We have 2 rather shady beds flanking the patio. Bed A, and then we have another over here. And I ordered some bromeliads And we're gonna go kind of soft and tropical under these palms. And then we'll also be modifying the rock top dressing, or not to say modifying, but we'll be using a few different kinds of top dressing on this installation. And I gotta say, guys, this one is really shaping up to be extremely special. You know, so much credit to my vendors for providing me with these extremely mature plants, and also so much credit to the homeowner for purchasing this home that has this kind of view. The borrowed landscape is really working for me here, guys. So a lot of elements have come into play that enable me to create something really extraordinary. So, oh yeah, I'm getting very, very excited about the development of this project, and I'm very eager to share it with you all. So until tomorrow, have fun in your gardens, guys. Bye.